Good morning, everyone. Welcome back on Daily Crypto Plan. It's Tuesday. Nice time to be in crypto. I enjoy this easy mode. Make money like a champ. Morning, Christian. Morning, Andrei. Hey, Andrei. Yeah, why it's hard? Well, that's optional. If someone wants to hit the like button, if you don't want to hit the like button, hit the dislike twice. Okay, morning everyone. Let's start with Bitcoin, CME, daily chart. I think that's the best approach we can have. So, hopefully we'll close a bit different than what we have here. Honestly, I hope that we'll close a bit differently. Some people know what I'm saying here. You don't want to see that island top. That could be ugly here. 3-bar fractal with the gap violent. Clear rejection from 123. Let's see, we have some news today. What gives me more hope it's ES. ES is looking really strong. But honestly, I don't want to see Bitcoin like this. Yeah, maybe we'll recover and we'll push higher, but I hate this. If you want to start hedge your spot portfolio, you can wait for this candle to close, see what happens. If you have a clear 3-bar fractal here, depending what will happen tomorrow, you can hedge your spot portfolio. I'm watching this one. I don't like what I see there in the... I hope that is just my impression and the market will push higher and we'll have this big AB equals CD and everyone will be happy and we'll go to 135 and then even higher. Okay? I hope that's the case, but I don't like what I see here on higher time frame. On lower time frame we can play around. So, can you see it? Can you see it? It's potential, but it's everywhere. Let's hope that Bitcoin will find the support at 110 and will fuck around in this area for longer. Altcoins will have the chance to pump. It's too early to call anything. We'll have to wait until tomorrow, maybe even end of the week, to see what will be the structure here. But what I see exactly in this moment, I don't like it. Okay, that being said, let's go on Ethereum. Well, a bit different story here. Yeah, we are in the short reload zone. Yeah, we are attacking this resistance. But looks nice for an AB equals CD. The market is not giving up. You can see it's rejecting from 61.8. But only slightly and then attacks again. And it's pushing here, it's pushing this level. Easily we can see 78.6. Easily. Someone asked me if I could see Ethereum at 5K this month or this summer. Even 10. You don't know with Ethereum. I was here last cycle when bearish, well, Ethereum is shit, Ethereum is nothing, and once Ethereum start pumping, nobody was able to catch up to join the pump. Everyone was left on the sidelines. I protect myself from that scenario. I bought Ethereum below $2,000. Yeah. Now I'm just waiting. My bags are loaded. Best position possible. I see Ethereum really strong here compared with Bitcoin. Even on dollar, here Ethereum versus dollar. Yeah, we are in short reload zone, but looks strong. It's just what I see. Indicators, well, for the moment they are looking nice. For the moment, this one is trying to stay here in the overbought area. We'll see. So, Bitcoin is strong, but looks, I'm worried about that pattern there. I don't like it. Ethereum looks even stronger, but we have short reload zone. We are not able to chase on higher time frame. Bitcoin dominance. Well, people, dominance looks really juicy. Look at it. I even posted in the morning on for VIP people. Focus on the important thing. Look at dominance. Seeing dominance breaking down, you don't care anymore about Bitcoin dropping $1,000 or $2,000 or $5,000. If you see the dominance like this, you understand that you can go and chase some shitcoins. And I saw Stefan posting some setups on limit orders, long on altcoins. Love that. Not chasing the market, just waiting for the proper level to be hit to get you in a long position and then enjoy yourself. If you're wrong, you have stop loss. But I love to see this one. Look at it. Looks nice? I think it is. For me, it looks really nice. You can see pump, slowing down, aiming out, and what do you think is next? Maybe we'll stay more here, but we can drop like a hammer to 60%. Imagine being able to trade with Holy Grail on 5-minute chart a move of 4 points in Bitcoin dominance. Just imagine. You think you can make some money with that? I think we do. Okay, so that's Bitcoin dominance. In my view, looks really juicy, really nice. We talked about DCMs here. We talked about the neckline. We waited for a close. We waited for the second. Look at it. It's juicy. It's nice. I love it. Morning, Jade. Oh, Mr. Stefan is waking up. Good morning, Stefan. He is wake up from some time because I saw him posting setups for VIP. Okay, so dominance looks nice. The problem is for today, yeah, we have this news in the beginning of the set, exactly at the New York session opening, not stock market opening. We have this news here, and that could move the market a bit too much for our taste. So careful if you're a day trader. Let's go back on the charts. So this one looks nice. Let's see Ethereum versus Bitcoin. You remember a stupid trader that I don't want to say predicted, because I hate that term and I hate people telling me that I predicted. But you saw how nice and clean you can call it. Well, this was a, some people said a different name, but this is a inverse head and shoulder. Adam and Eve, and how the fuck people love to call it. But it's a inverse head and shoulder. And I told you that this one could break out aggressively. We did. We ranged. We tried to reload here. No time for that. We call this bottom AB equals CD setup. Look at it. When the market is providing, people, when the market is providing, you can frame it really nice. When you see that no setup is in front of your eyes, you should, if you have some experience, you should recognize the setup. If you don't see it, don't force it. Don't try to find some setups and find some patterns. No, if it's not there, it's not there. But here, you saw it. Clear, pump, range, W. Doesn't get better than that. And looks strong. Look at it. It's attacking this 0.25. Again, the next stop, if we'll accept above, well, the next stop is 0.3. And could outperform on any point in time. Up to you. We frame this setup step by step. Every day we talked about it. Okay, so Bitcoin dominance, Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Let's take a look at ES. People, do you see any weakness here? Do you think this chart is bearish here? We saw charts like this before. We saw Bitcoin consolidating and then exploding. We are fighting the overbought here. We try to do a A bearish divergence, you can see the rejection. No bearish divergence, no confirmation. Up. You think this chart is bearish? Like Sebastian said in the morning, if you flip it, let's flip it. Well, if you flip it, yeah, looks bearish. Look at it. We accepted below this level. We are aiming out again. We have a clear downtrend. And maybe we'll stop here at this trend line or trend channel bottom. If you flip it, yes. If you don't flip it, no. So I don't know why some people are bearish. Well, no, it's summer. Will not pump. Not every summer is the same, people. And if you look at the United States election, if you look at the 4-year cycle on crypto, if you look in general, we should have a pretty nice year. We'll have our retracement after that. Don't worry about it. We'll be violent, we'll be ugly, but for the moment, enjoy yourself. We said the same, people, here. If you remember, we said the same. I said, you see anything bearish here? Well, I don't know. Look at it. Okay. People, don't believe me that don't think that I said that will pump and this one will pump. Could dump all the way down here in the gap until tomorrow. I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult your financial advisor or assume your responsibility for what you are doing in the market. Okay? Okay. So that's yes, strong in my view. Gold, range, nothing to say. Everyone was saying, well, we retraced and we'll pump to the moon. No, it's a range. Simple. And we are in the middle of the range. The small range. The middle of the big range is here. At the bottom of the other one. So we have a range here and we have a range here. And I could consider this one a big range because imagine 3,000, 3,500. I think that's enough room for gold to fuck around for some time until we'll maybe outperform, go above 3,500. People call it, well, we'll go to the moon. That will be a fake out and we'll retrace all the way back down. Silver. Silver is strong. When you see silver outperforming gold, don't think about bearishness in the market. Don't think about the economy being bad. Difference between silver and gold is that silver is also an industrial metal used by industry, used by everyone. If you see silver outperforming gold, that means everything is booming, everything is growing. Yeah, when you see gold outperforming silver and silver retracing against gold, then or you see a top forming in that parity, then you have a problem. I'm not putting the parity gold silver here. Sorry. It's for traditional markets. I'm talking about crypto. I'm not trading traditional market. I just draw your attention in that direction. Okay, total. Like I anticipated yesterday, we accepted above the all-time high. We said, well, we have a new high on total market cap. Yeah, we have, but we didn't close above. We retraced and we have the same ugly fucking pattern like on Bitcoin. Is this bearish? No. We have strong support below. It was a normal price action to reject initially from this level. We can consolidate here and then push higher again and try once again, third time, fourth time, I don't know. But if the market will go sideways, here's nothing bad. We can, this to be just a retracement, a short one, and then to pump, possible. If altcoins will recover as I expected, total market cap should pump. But for the moment, I have a potential 3-bar fractal top. Okay, and Bollinger Bands, look at them. We can do that the same for Bitcoin. You can see Bollinger Bands, they are telling us a story. Bollinger Bands are telling us a story here. Okay, So if you want to hedge your portfolio, wait for this close or wait to see a clear pattern and you can hedge. I'll do it if I'll see a clear pattern. For the moment, I'm just suspecting that something will it's off. We'll see. Okay, so total market cap rejection here, a bit too fast. We'll see. Let's hide the Bollinger Bands. Total trend similar, but you can see a bit of difference here. 2%, 1.4. So maybe altcoins have a chance. This one is holding this level. We'll see. Step by step, level by level. Shitcoins here. We retraced a little bit. We are forming the bottom. Nothing special. If you are an investor, you can keep dollar cost averaging. If you are a position trader or a swing trader, you can wait for some retracement, or you can play some W's. They are forming. For example, in this motherfucker, we made nice money. Now we are doing something similar with what we did here. Can you frame a setup here to make some money or not? That's up to you. Well, no, we had a pump and we had a dump. No, we had a consolidation. We pumped, we dumped. Was a healthy pump, and we dumped all of the sudden. Wasn't a pump and dump, a classic one with a straight up, straight down. So I could expect the second round here. Morning, Booker, morning. Yeah, so I could expect a second round here. I see W's, I see one W, I see the second W. Let's look at the indicators. Well, they're looking strong. Look at the OBV. Looks like OBV didn't saw this move. See? No, nothing happened on OBV. We just resetted a little bit the RSI and the MACD. That's all. I think we can pump again, do another round. Maybe a big one. Was just a test what we had here? I don't know. Morning, Hania, morning. Nice to see you. Up to you. I'll try once, maybe I'll fail, I'll hit my stop loss, and I'll try the second time. Well, for a risk to reward what we had last time. Let's see. 6 to 1? 5 to 1? Well, I could try 4 times and still be profitable. Anyway, that's just an example. SSV. Well, we pumped, we dumped. A retest of $8. You think it's a good idea? Asking for a friend. Look at it. Pump, dump. Well, it's looking like a consolidation. But if we'll dump here, you think that you can take this window of risk and say, well, fuck it. I'll take this entry here. Not the best. It's above the long reload zone. I don't really like it. But I could try it. Here entry, here stop loss. Hunter 2 to 1. You think you can make some money? Indeed, not the best, because I don't like the fact that the W, it's above the 61.8. I just don't like it. But you think here, if something will happen, you can take the retest on this one. That will be a fucking gift if you'll get it. Look at it. Look how beautiful it is. Why we have an entry here? You think I'll close my trade here? No. This could be the fucking bottom. Look left. And I don't want to be out from this trade. Not even here. Completely. Well, let me zoom out. Let's see. I have any potential? I think I have. So if you are in this trade, well, good for you. You made a nice call. Oh, the call was made by me, but you took the trade, so that's your credit. You took the trade, hold it, and try to keep it as long as possible. Everything looks similar, people. Look at DYDX. We talked about it. E-gold. Retesting this W, this consolidation is not bearish, people. I still have my order at $10, but we discussed it yesterday. Look at this one. We made money. If we'll retrace, we can make more money. People, what you see here around these charts, I call easy mode. Damn simple. Could get easier? Yes. But now we are in the easy mode. Ask all the people from the bear market how hard it was to trade. How hard it was to swing trade, to position trade. You had to wait months for a fucking double. And now you can get a double in a couple of days. Sometimes not even that. So if you are not making money in this environment, I don't know what to tell you. I don't know what to tell you if you are not making money in this environment. As a day trader, as a swing trader, as a position trader, as investor, you have to wait. We are forming the bottom. You need more patience. We have Capo 1. Learn the basic. Learn how we do it. A lot of people learned how to do it from us. I'll select you. I'll accept you only if you are serious. Yes. But if you pass my test, if I see you are consistent, if it's not so hard, I just want consistency. That's all. And you can be consistent and learn for 4 months, for 1 year, and you have a skill nobody could take from you. Only God could take your mind. Now I'll say, well, no, it's enough. But nobody could take your skill. And you can make a lot of money with it. The problem is, you will be consistent enough and you'll put the time and effort to learn it or not. Don't think that if you have a trading account with some money in it, you are a trader. You're not. If I take a cowboy and I dress him in a white coat, I put some gloves on it, he'll become a doctor? Please tell me that, well, he has a white coat, he has some gloves, some tools. Well, fuck it, this is a doctor. You want that man to operate you? You want that man to take care of you? No, he's still a cowboy. He can take care of something else. He's good at what he's doing, yeah, but not at what you think he's good. So similar with people with everyone has a skill, everyone has, I don't know, has a job, is good at it maybe. And you open an account and you put some money in it and all of a sudden you become a trader. Really? When you think like that, imagine that cowboy with a white coat trying to operate you. See how that goes in your mind. And maybe you'll decide to learn first and trade after. I could train that cowboy to be a doctor? Yes, why not? If he puts the time and effort to learn, he can be a doctor. All the cowboys will be doctors? No. Maybe 20% will try and maybe 10% will succeed. You get the idea. Anyway, enough rant. Let's go back on the chart. Mana, look at it. Give me that retracement to enter here. You didn't took the initial one. Okay, maybe you have a second chance. Maybe, just maybe. Mavia, forming a bottom. Wait for a daily W. Wait for more, but we are forming something. I could go on the entire list. Look at peer. We talked about peer below $1 and I said, fuck it, we waited so long for this one to be below $1. At least I did. Look at power of 3. Look at the consolidate. Look at the W. Look at the retest. It's still below. Even here, I was posting, it's still below $1. Well, now it's not below $1. It's at $1. When you see it at 5, don't come here in Crypto Traders Arena and ask me what to do. Where to buy it. Because I'll tell you below $1. Well, we'll never go there. I know. But nothing I could help you with. I blabbed away too much about this coin. Anyway, could go to 0 tomorrow? Yes, of course. All the shit coins are looking similar, people. And usually people in Crypto Traders Arena, they know about a double, about power of 3, about bottom of the range. So they could select what coins they want for their portfolio. Now, that's the overview. Let's go on short on the day trading part. What do you see here, people? People that are in premium and VIP. What is this? This is Holy Grail. Yeah? Everyone on premium and VIP has access. This is 1 hour time frame. One entry, second entry, third entry, 4 entries. You get the idea? We have a clear uptrend. What we did overnight was just a retest, an entry. If you are a swing trader, that's your time frame. You'll say, well, fuck it, I'll take the entry on 1 hour Holy Grail. That will give me time to do whatever I want and watch the chart from, I don't know, from time to time. We are slowing down here, but we just got an entry here. And you can see even now you have long entry 2967, which is this one. Huh? Stop loss 2851 here. Position size depending, you can change it here. Depending how much money you want to risk. Okay? If you want to risk $200, you have to take 1.72 Ethereum. Okay? We don't have targets with the Holy Grail, man. With the Holy Grail, I'll explain once again. So let's say I saw this trade here and I took it. Long position here. Okay. I have too many drawings here. Sorry, man. But you get the idea. Yeah. Stop loss below this blue line. Okay. And the market is going and is going and is going. And I'll keep moving my stop loss up in profit until here. So my profit from this trade should be here. Or one step below. I don't need to take profit. If the market wants to stop me out, okay, come and take my stop loss. Anyway, it's big in the profit. So I could take all the stop losses if they are in profit. I love to take stop losses when the trade is already in profit. That will close the trade, but I'll make money. That's how I taught this, this indicator. Let's hide the ink again. So, clear uptrend, fighting, normal to stop a little bit at 3000, big important number, but we can push higher. Now, let's hide the Holy Grail and let's see what we have. Classic. Well, classic, we have a clear uptrend channel, clear as day, look at it. Yeah. I showed people too many times how to correctly draw a uptrend channel. I'll not do it again here. And look at what we have. This is a Monday high, this is the Monday low. We did a FU move and we are back in the range of the Monday high, Monday low. Or Monday range. We have a range to play around. We had a fake out, which coincides with an entry with Holy Grail, which also means that we retested some support and now we are pumping. Is that bearish? I don't think so. So, let's play the range. If you see the market closing 1 hour, 4 hour chart above this level, think that the market will pump a lot higher. Huh? Initially, when we see the market pushing here and taking this high, we'll think Monday high and we'll try to short if we'll see a reclaim below. That's our setup. We'll take it. If we'll fail and you'll see the market pushing higher and closing above this level, then think higher. I showed you an example last week. I don't know what will happen this week, but if you are following us, you should know Monday high, Monday low, Monday range, and why it's so important. Okay, so that's Ethereum. Bitcoin, different story. In the support here, weak support, like we discussed yesterday, 118 could be a good level to stop bleeding. We are below Monday low. Let's see if we'll accept and we'll stay here. Well, then we have a problem. If the market will accept below this one, we can go all the way down here, 110. I know looks ugly, but it's not. Okay, imagine that, and percentage wise is not so much. And as long as we hold above 100k, everything is nice. Anyway, don't chase or don't catch falling knives. Wait for a W. I don't see W's. I don't see anything for the moment. If you are a 5-minute trader, well, you can hunt something. But if you are 1 hour, 4 hour swing trader already, wait a little bit. The rest of the shit coins, they retraced, but I don't think was a problem. I think was a reloading idea. Yeah, we pumped, we made money, all perform, and now we are waiting for a W. Tao, look at it. You remember a stupid trader telling you that in the live stream, I'll buy this one at market because I love it. 10R already. Reach the take profit. Fighting this level. Still strong, still wants higher. One trade like this could, depending on what portfolio you have, could pay for VIP for a couple of months, could pay for couple one if you have an acceptable portfolio. To pay for couple one, you had to risk $100 here on this trade. Well, I'll risk $100. That means to respect the risk management, you should have a 10k portfolio. 10k portfolio, $100 risk, 10R, it's $1,000. Simple. And we post not only one, we post multiple ones. And we'll keep posting. Not all of it, but some of it. Okay, that's Tao. Tia made money. Nah, I don't like this pattern here. Hopefully it'll be arranged and this will be just a fake out here. Hopefully. And I think $2 now, it's a strong resistance. Okay, Bitcoin helped a little bit to retrace. But will Tia accept above $2? Yes. When? I don't know. But if we'll retrace deep enough, I saw Stefan posting a scalp here. Okay, that's a different story. But if I'll see Tia forming a new setup, I'll definitely take it. Monday, high and mind the low from last week. You can see we are still fighting. Look at the highs here. We are not trading this one. So next one. Fight, nothing I can do. Let's go for our chart. It's too low for my taste. And now, wait for a retracement if you get it. SSV. Hopefully, we'll get a retracement. We should have a position already. Hype. Took the high, took it as a support. It's hard for me to trade a hype here. It's just hard. Portal. Made damn nice money. Look at it. Now wait for clear retracement. Maybe Wyckoff check here. Maybe Wyckoff check. Let's clean this chart up. Okay, we made nice money. We don't need to brag about it. Okay, let's clean it up. People know that we made money. They made money with us. That's good. The first level, I'll even think about it. Okay, I don't want to touch it here. I don't want to chase. I want here and below. The simple thing to do is take the fucking high, take the fucking low, and draw a classic long reload zone. Yeah, because the market is so strong, I don't want to draw the altcoin reload zone with 88.6. It's enough, this one. So this is the area where you want to hunt for the next round. Or if you see a W forming here, you can think big AB equals CD, big one. Which also, it's a nice setup. Here, no. Alt, similar. Pump, this is pump and dump. Pump and dump. Now we need clear W's, people. Clear W's. Ton, still fighting $3. This one, at some point in time, will decide that it's enough to stay at $3 and will pump like crazy. When will that be? I don't know. I'm positioned myself. I have a ton of ton. Yes. I have some. And I'll hold it. You ask me, Xleon, or how is your name? You asked me what I think about a setup. Stefan posted what I think about a setup. Well, I helped Stefan to be, I don't want to say teach, but I helped Stefan to be the trader that he is today. A really damn good one. What do you think I think about his setups? What do you think I think about Stefan and his setups in general? Well, look at Doge. My trade from yesterday. We made nice money with Holy Grail, but fuck it, Doge destroyed are willing to trade this one. Doge said, no, fuck it, no, I'll not give you any fucking chances. You have to wait more. I'll trade it again? Of course I will. Oh, this is done. I don't want to say long reloads on here. It's possible. I hate this YAM. On 4 hours is clear as day that we have an YAM, and maybe we'll consolidate more. If it's consolidating, I don't want to touch it. Leave it until we'll do something. That's my list. Here, retest on Slurp on that nice double in the long reload zone. Take it or leave it. Not my problem. Not financial advisor here. Just a stupid guy blabbing away on YouTube. Rest of the shitcoins, well, nothing special on them. You can see. Red everywhere. Which is good for a guy who wants to buy. You don't want to buy green. You want to buy red and sell green. Not like 90% of the people that. They'll buy green and will sell red. And they ask themselves, why the fuck I'm not making money? Okay. People, Stefan will do the daily crypto plan. The day trading with Stefan. Stefan, you are here? Confirming that? He'll do a short one, 1 hour. He has something else to do. Yeah? He will start exactly when I'll close the live stream. So you can ask Stefan all the questions you want. Okay? Let me wrap it up, Stefan, and you can start. Twitter is tweeting, nothing special. Let me see. Let me see what we have here. 17 retweets, 18 likes, 1,700 people in Discord, general Discord. Do the math. And people, for me it's a tell. People are not here yet. Okay? They are not here for the altcoin season. This is not the top. Yeah? When you'll see everyone liking and retweeting, then that will be closer to the top. Anyway, a bit disappointed about the results, but that's a different story. If you want to join us in Capua 1 or maybe Capua 2, it's up to you. VIP, closed for the moment. If you want to, I don't know, to be a big player in VIP, you want to take 3-6 months, then you can DM Stefan at any point in time. He'll get you in. Month by month, we open every month, first 5 days. So we'll open August 1st. Premium, I have 2 places, but I honestly, I don't know if I want more people in premium. We have enough. And if you are a moon boy, don't even try, because definitely you'll not have a place in premium. I want serious people. It's a private community. Private as it gets. Clean, nice. I want to keep it that way. How I do it, that's my job. Okay, people. I'll wrap it up. See you guys if you are premium or VIP. See you guys tomorrow in the daily crypto plan. Today, the New York session is for everyone. I don't know if I'll do it on stage or I'll do it on the normal channel, but I'll open for everyone. All the Discord members have access in the New York session. Hopefully it will not be boring like as usual. Hopefully we'll have some setups, something to talk about, something to show you. But if you have questions, you can ask all the questions there. 2 hours is more than enough time to ask me everything you want. Okay? Call it a live stream. See you on 2 minutes in the next one. Bye bye.